Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today we are making delicious roasted potatoes. And as you can see here, I am chopping up some potatoes, and you want to chop them almost the same size for each so that everything is cooked well together. Also, you want to cut them smaller pieces because if not, you'll have to keep them in the oven for a little bit longer than you need to. And now I'm just turning on the oven at 400 Fahrenheit. I put parchment paper on my baking sheet just so that the potatoes don't get stuck to my pan. And as you guys know, I love garlic, so I'm adding in about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, or you can choose the oil of your preference, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of dried chili flakes, and don't forget your salt and pepper. And now let's mix it all in together. These potatoes were super delicious. If you do try this out, please let me know. Put it down on the comments. And also, if you are cutting these potatoes a little bit smaller, it will take less time in the oven. So now let's put that in the oven for about 30 minutes. And then this is what it looks like after 30 minutes. So please do make sure that you are turning over those potatoes so that they're cooking on all sides. Look at these small little hot potatoes. These are so good. I did put some fresh parsley on just to have a little garnish. And this is it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also, again, comment down below if you've tried this before. And thank you very much for watching my video.